Hey, I'ma make these niggas put insurance on they bitches' heart. I'ma get the bag and stack the pro, that's what my niggas taught me. I don't ever call myself the GOAT, that's what my niggas call me. Got your bitch stuck just like a spider web, come get her off me. Matter of fact, where she at, come put that pussy on me. We play dirty games, get tired of looking for you, hit your homie. I'm looking for this drink while niggas looking for me. Feel like I'm the last real nigga and I'm getting lonely. I know ain't no friends up in this shit, it's brothers only. I be wondering if I get rich, who gon' be switching on me? We know he be thinking with his dick, sick the bitches on him. My nigga Cliff trying to clean the system, so I'm sipping for him. Said I smell good, but that's dope, don't be sniffing on me. Niggas snitching, but don't never get no stitches on them. Half a on the table, tell he whip it for me. Niggas trying to learn to mix, hide the kitchen from them. I'm training all the chops, they only hit opponents. My wave already gone, you can't get up on it. Yo, B already gone, she said she feeling lonely. Heard your song, you was rapping, you wasn't living on it. That pop way too light, I ain't sipping that. We caught him at the light, why he slip like that?
That should be good.
What would you call this? Shots just for demonstration. I let him hit my cup.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We got Jericho out here today. We brought all our cars here. Huh?
Oh, I didn't bring my car. I brought my dad's car.
Oh yeah, his dad's car, an M3 with expired tags.
Tax coming in next week though. Stay tuned.
It had to get hot smog, huh?
Yep, 280.
Yep.
Sure.
Shout out to the hot smog. It's usually hard on newer cars, so that's good. Victor's out here today with the clean, freshly ceramic coated.
Hey,
We got Timothy out here.
What's up, what's up?
Yeah, and the brothers are back at it again. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, Andrew just got an exhaust. It's sick. Look.
this is loud, bro.
Is that a tomato? Is that a tomato? Hey guys, we got the whole gang out here today. Not sure what we're doing exactly. We're just chilling at this garage right now. Here's the little lineup for today. It's crazy, bro. I haven't seen this car out in a minute though, for real. So if you didn't know, Jericho and his dad share this car, but they don't really drive anymore because it had to get smogged and shit, and doesn't pass smog at the moment. But it just passed hot smog today. Yeah. And then we got the Z out here today, driving her more every day now because of the new setup, you know what I'm saying? And we got Byla's Subi here, making a special appearance today. How do you feel today? Good. And we brought the little friend here today. Check it out. Dude, look, we brought the rabbit though. Hey, y'all fuck with that Sinners mascot? She's hella cute. Her name is Miffy, guys. So yep, we should make a Instagram for her. We should make an Instagram for the pet.
We should.
Yeah, Miffy the rabbit. Guys, update on the Z. We're not low. We're not low anymore, bruh. What the fuck is that, bruh? There's hella space under. You see the suffering there? This is a reliable daily height. Y'all, is that? I might go lower though. Right here. I want to go like right here. Just cover this. I just want to go right here. Soon. The rears are a little high, so we're gonna lower it a little bit. Oh damn, she's she's tired or something. Look. Lance pulled up. Say what's up to the vlog.
Good.
And Timothy also brought out his car today. You know what I'm saying? Got the Baghdad side. Here's the lineup currently. Yup. We about to go on a photo shoot, I think. We'll update you guys once we head out. But yeah, the lineup's looking pretty good today. Jericho brought out his car. Everyone brought the whips out today. We should do this more often. We got the Z right there with the cracked bumper. Oh yeah, I cracked my bumper, guys. Look at this shit. Sheesh. It's all good though. I'm gonna Bondo it and all that. We got Byla's car, the Subaru, the Rex, you know? Yup. Yeah, peep that Fimendo. Yup, clean. I need more camera though. Alright y'all, we are now mobbing out. We're like 6 deep right now. We're about to head out to Foster City, and that's where we're gonna shoot the cars at. So we'll update you guys once we get there. Everyone pulled up, you know what I'm saying? What's up with y'all? Nice little drive today. Yeah. This is a sick ass spot. Nah, you're cool, cause then Lance's car's like maybe up to you though.
Yeah, I'm on.
Damn, shit's looking clean. Got Jericho's car here too. Yee. What's up, Lodi? Hey, read his shirt though. Read Lance's shirt. Ay, nako. We just got some T-pumps, guys. We're about to mob out to the location now that we're shooting at before it gets too dark. So, yup. Check out Victor Z though. Clean. Alright, guys. So, we are at the spot right now. We just got kicked out hella fast by security. We weren't even doing anything. We were just about to take some photos and all that. And then the security comes out. It's like, hey, fellas, you guys can't be here. I don't even know what the fuck we're doing, but it's all good. Here's the spot we got, guys. Pretty nice view. Sorry for the wind, but yeah, we got all the cars lined up here. And we got Dom in the video today. You know what I'm saying? Got Dom Too Many in the building.
You already knowing, I just got pulled over earlier. Fuck it though, we savages.
It's all good.
Going one time. It's good though. Get some light in the minivan.
Yeah, in the Sienna right there. We got the fucking whole squad lined up, you feel me? It's gonna be some sick ass pictures. Just put some marks on the floor, you know what I'm saying? Now we're taking some photos. Then shout out to Lance. Follow him, Shots by Vert. He's the main photographer right now today.
Hey, look at this though, guys.
But
Watch out, bro. Damn.
and he was protecting himself there. Oh, retaliation! Retaliation! Damn! You guys seen that? Woo! Lance is a savage. Yeah, this is a smooth ass ground, guys. Hopefully we don't get kicked out because there's some people watching. But this is the setup right now.
I was bumping to fucking Safeway music, bro. You know how they play that music in the groceries and shit? I was bumping to
You like that kind of shit, huh? Turn it up, turn it up. Only the real ones will know. Only the real ones know about that joke.
If you don't know, you don't know.
If you want to know, hit them up on the DMs, only if you're a girl.
Or bro, only fucking dudes watch this, bro.
Nah, I got a girl sub. A girl subscribe though. A girl subscribe.
It's probably like 15 to 1, bro.
15 to 1.
That's probably like 100 to 1. That's clean though.
I know.
Clean.
Damn, the brothers back at it. Hey.
Hey, should we turn on our lights? What's up, y'all? We just lined up our cars. It took us like fucking 10 minutes.
It looks good. Damn, guys. Lined up the cars real quick for a little shoot. Alright, y'all, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe down below. Thank y'all for 438 subscribers. As I'm saying this right now, that's how much we got. Thank you for all the support lately, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out. And if you want to see all the photos from today, go ahead and follow us on Instagram down below. We're doing some shenanigans. Woo, that shit's loud. Peace out, guys.
I gotta get on my own. I had to get off the floor. Remember when I used to kick? Now I'm tryna run it up. I gotta do it for my folks. saying, I'm just saying, nigga. I ain't really with that talking, I ain't playing, nigga. I ain't the same, nigga. All this pain and emotions in my brain, nigga.